Come on, guys, how we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. I'm excited again. Today is another day. Let's go make money. So if you're going to be watching this video by the time I'm recording this video, you just need to know that we do this live every Thursday. Every Thursday, I come on here to trade with you guys live, to share my analysis with you, and to make money with you. For the past 8 consecutive weeks, we have been on back-to-back profit. Hopefully today will be the 9th day of consistent profit, and it's going to be amazing trading with you guys again. So just 5 minutes before we go dive right into the chart. Let's just wait for 5 minutes. Let's wait for more people to join so that we can actually get going. So 5 minutes and we get started. Okay. All right. So good morning, everyone. Once you join us, let's know your name and let's know where you are joining us from. Once you join us, let's know your name and where you're joining us from. Okay. Your name and where you are joining us from. Okay. Let's go, guys. Drop your name and where you're joining us from. Your name and where you're joining us from. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get the energy up. Yeah. I want to join. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Okay. Your name and where you are joining us from. Okay. Let's go make some money. Let's go make some money. Are you guys excited? We have been having back to back profits. It has been back to back profits. Hopefully today will be added to the list again. So tell your friends and family, tell everyone that we are live, and FXDaddy is about to make you guys some money again. Okay. Please share the link. Share the link with everyone. Share the link with everyone on your contact. Let them join us live before we dive right into the charts for analysis and all. In 2 minutes, I'll be going right into the charts. Let's start analysis and start making money ASAP. Okay. Yep. So like I said, for those of you that don't know, we do this every Thursday. Every Thursday, I come on here live to make money with you guys, to share my analysis with you, and to help you guys to make profit. For the past 8 consecutive weeks, we have been profitable back to back to back to back to back 8 times. And I'm hoping that today will be the 9th time, next will be the 10th time, then 11th time, probably like 20 straight weeks. No losses, and I mean that will really be amazing. That will be a record. That will be a kind of record I want to break. Okay. So good morning, everyone. Good to see you guys. Let me just hail you guys a bit before we dive into the chat. Onyebuchi, good morning. Henrietta from Lagos, good to see you. Emmanuel, good to see you from Abuja. Isaac, good morning. Ayodeji from Nigeria, good morning. Ifechuku, good morning. Isaac from Port Harcourt. Emma from Lagos. Ayodeji from Lagos. Good morning, Niger Reaper. Jasper Joseph from Uyo. Oko Ebenezer, my chief, good to see you. Okay, no, this is not the Oko Emmanuel. Okay. I think I mistook this Oko Ebenezer for somebody else. I have another friend that is Oko, that is a very senior man. Jasper Joseph, good to see you. Alpha Nelson, good morning. Baker Todd Zero, good to see you, Mr. Baker. Yeah. Here to make money. Isaac, Emmanuel from Judah Daniel, Uncle D, good to see you. Divine, good to see you, man. Manuel Samuel, good to see you. Nasir Mutaka, good to see you. Victor from Abuja, good to see you. Oluwaseun Kulanko from the UK, get enlightened. Yeah, I'm very fine. Thank you for asking about me. At least the Qatar it's going down a little bit. So as you can see, my voice is a bit clearer now. So thank you for asking. Hosea Detunji, good to see you. Charles from Aba, Akahwa from Abuja. Yeah. So good to see everyone. Good morning, Ibukun from Lagos. Fantastic. So let's dive right into the chat. 1 minute. Let's just give me 1 minute. I think they just brought the light. So let me just switch over from the inverter to the light. 1 minute, guys. All right. So let's go. Let's dive right into the charts. Let's get going. We're going to make money today. So you guys know how it goes. I want the energy up right now. I want that energy. I want that, and I want you guys to give me that energy right now. Give me that energy. You guys know the energy. You guys know the energy. Give me the energy straight up now. Give me the energy. Type it on the chat. Money must be made. Type that on the chat. Let's get the energy before we dive right into the chat. You guys know the drill. You know the drill. Give me energy. Give me energy. Give me energy. Give me energy. Give me energy, guys. Type it on the chat. Money must be made. Money must be made. Money must be made. Let's get everyone pumped up and ready. Ready to smash the market. Ready to smash the market. Let's get the energy up. Money, 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 money must be made. Let's go milk this market, guys. It's going to be awesome. Another amazing day of trading. I'm excited, really excited, man. Today is going to be amazing as usual. So we just have one news coming out today by 2:30. Initial jobless claims, and Fetch Power will also be speaking later today at about 8 p.m. So I don't think we have any hindrances as far as fundamentals is concerned. So money must be made. Yeah, I see you guys typing that. Yeah. I love the energy, man. I love the energy. So let's go. Let's dive right into the chat. Let's go make this money now. Let's go make this money. So straight up, so you guys can see my screen. What's happening? What's Cluster? What was this one again? Or should I trade that because what's all this one again? Sorry guys, I'm just seeing this on my MT4 on my trading view. I don't know what it is. You use for personal use. Okay. I think not professional. Please take me back to the market. So good. So we're back to the market right now. GBP, JPY. I was expecting JPY to like fall crazy yesterday, which unfortunately did not happen. So let's go. Let's type let's start from Euro GBP. Let's see what we have on Euro GBP. So you guys know how it works. Let me just give you guys our normal three disclaimers so that we can get going. So number one is our win rate here is 75%. That simply means that 75% of the time that we will make money, 75% of the time. It's also possible that we might make losses. So, and if you've been a part of it, you know we don't fear losses. It's part of trading. It is cost of doing business. Okay, so that's one. Number two, so you don't have to take all the trades that we're going to be calling out for you. You can decide to take the ones that fit your trading style, the ones that fit your the number of pips you're willing to risk, and the one that fits your risk appetite. Okay, and then finally, make sure you don't put all your money, don't risk all your money, don't put all your money inside one single trade. It is not wise. I don't advise that, and I would not love you to do that. Okay, so don't risk all your money inside one single trade. So that said, let's go and make this money. So starting the analysis, let me add a daily time frame to this. So let's start Euro GBP. Euro GBP on a daily time frame has approached this area. I showed you guys during the weekly analysis on during the I think on Sunday, on Saturday, I showed you guys this area. The market has touched down on it 1, 2, 3 times, and the market is actually probably about to like fall from here. So I'm very hopeful that this fall would likely happen. On the 4-hour time frame, also, we are seeing that we are now confidently having higher highs and lower lows, sorry, and lower highs, which is what we are seeing here. We saw this is high, low, lower high, lower low, and the market is back to this level, which if you put a Fibonacci, it will probably be above the 61.8 level, but I'm still confident that this sell will likely happen. So as you can see on the Fibonacci on the 4-hour time frame, this is sitting well above the 61.8% level. Okay, so anything can happen here right now. The market can fall from here. Very possible that the market can actually fall from here. So I personally, the way I would trade this, I'll wait for a retracement to happen. I just want a little retracement to happen. I want to enter this market maybe somewhere at about this level here. This would be my area of target for entries. Somewhere here. This is where I want to enter this market, somewhere here. Okay, so we'll just wait a little bit. If this market comes back to this level and gives us any, we see any form of reasonable resistance at that level, then we'll probably be selling somewhere here. So we'll keep our eyes on Euro GBP. I'll have to go ahead and set an alert here. I'll set an alert at 0.8706 level, 0.8706 level, so that once the market comes back to that level, I'm in for I'll look for a sell opportunity. Okay, 870, it's 87070, 870. Okay, 70. Okay, good. What's happening to my alert? It's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be up. Sorry guys, I think my trading view is malfunctioning or something. Let me do this alert again. 8707, 8707. Are you guys seeing what's happening? My alert is not like where I want to put it here, but it just keeps automatically placing it here. I don't know why. Okay, all the same, let me just go, but you guys know where I want to put it. So let's keep going. So let's move over to Euro USD. Let's see what's happening on Euro USD. Okay, someone is asking on the chat, let's like the video so others can see. Yeah, please, you guys should please like the video. Once you like the video, more people would, probably see it. YouTube will recommend it with more people. So please like the video so that it can be recommended to more people. So let's go. Daily time frame on Euro USD. I told you guys when NFP comes out, as it did last week, there's a lot of destabilization in the market. The liquidity zones has actually shifted. So that's why we are seeing this market having this indecisive move right here. Okay, but I'm very, very hopeful that this trend has actually like changed. But I'll probably not be touching Euro USD anytime soon because I just want to watch at least throughout this week. Let me see what happens before we enter in on a trade. So, but however, my bias generally is actually an uptrend on Euro USD. Although I'm not seeing any entries, yet here. I probably want to enter the market somewhere here. So for now, I'm actually not seeing any reasonable entry on Euro USD as of this time. Okay, so let's jump over to let's do Okay, let's do GBP USD before we jump to NZD USD and AED USD. So same thing we're seeing on GBP USD on a daily time frame. We're seeing that we have at least this. It was a downtrend all the while, but we're seeing that this downtrend might have experienced the very end of it, because we're seeing equidistant lows, and we already have one higher high, and possibly this might be another higher low to actually keep pushing this market upwards. So it's very possible that there's come an end to this long downtrend has been on Euro USD and the correlated pairs like it. So we'll probably be having an uptrend going forward. For on GBP USD, I'm seeing something that looks like a very good trading setup already. Let me check it very well and be sure. I'm seeing something that looks like a very good setup already on GBP USD. This might actually be our first trade for today. Okay, the market bounced off the 50% Fibonacci level. Let me see a 1 hour time frame. Okay, guys, I think we're going to be buying GBP USD. This would probably be our first trade for today. This will probably be our first trade for today. But the stop loss will be very, very far, which is what I'm not comfortable with. But GBP USD is looking ripe for a buy, according to the way I actually trade. GBP USD is looking good for a buy. 30 pips is quite a lot of pips. Coming, guys. I think GBP USD is actually ripe. It's actually ripe. It's looking ripe for a buy already. So let me check all the. Okay, guys. I think we're actually going to be going in on GBP USD. I think we'll be going in on GBP USD if the market comes back to our entry, which is here. We're risking 30 pips on GBP USD. You can go ahead and calculate your risk to reward on GBP USD. We're risking 30 pips. Don't go in yet. I just wanted to touch back to our entries. Then we'll go in for a buy on GBP USD. GBP USD is going to be our first trade for today. I'm calculating my risk to reward right now. So you can go ahead and start calculating your risk to reward. Then once I say go, you shoot without mercy. Okay. Once I say go, guys, you shoot without mercy. Oh, 30 pips, that's all we'll be risking on GBP USD. Okay, guys, you can buy now. You can buy now on GBP USD, guys. You can buy on GBP USD now. You can buy now on GBP USD. You can buy now on GBP USD. You can buy now on GBP USD, guys. Buy GBP USD 0.3. Buy GBP USD 30 pip stop loss, guys. 30 pip stop loss. We're buying GBP USD. We're buying GBP USD. GBP USD 30 pips. We're going in for a buy. GBP to the USD. We are going in for a buy. 30 pips stop loss. 30 pips stop loss. I'm coming, guys. Let me show you my entries in 1 minute. 1, 2, 6, 6, 4, 5. Okay. So we're in for a buy on GBP USD. We're in for a buy on GBP USD. Now, this is my entry. I entered at 1.22964. 22964. 30 pips stop loss. My stop loss is at 1.22664. Okay. And then our take profits is our final take profit is at 1:1 is our risk at TP1. TP2 is 1:2, which is at 1.2359. That's our TP2. Yeah, that's our TP2. So that's what we have so far on GBP USD. Let's pray it goes well. Okay, so that's it. GBP USD. That's our first trade for today. If you enter the trade, let me know. If you enter the trade on GBP USD, let me know that you entered the trade. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you enter the trade on GBP USD, let me know. We are going in for a buy, 30 pips. We're going in for a buy, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips on GBP USD. Okay. Put your stop loss and 680. Yeah. All right. All right. So that's it for GBP USD. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I can see some people typing, I'm in. I'm in. Yeah. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully, this goes well. I'm really hoping that this goes well. Like I want to clear this record. If we do 10 straight winning weeks, 10 straight winning weeks, on our live trading sessions, man, it's going to be very loud. I'll change my name from on Instagram. I'll change it to senior trader. I'll change my name on Instagram to senior trader, senior, like most senior trader, veteran trader. Okay, someone is asking TP. TP1 is 1:1, which is 30 pips. TP1 is wherever you enter, 30 pips is your TP1. Then TP2 is 60 pips. So if you entered exactly where we entered, stop loss 30 pips, take profit for TP1, 30 pips, TP2, 60 pips. Okay. So I can see you guys typing, I'm in. Okay, that's amazing. Good. So let's go. Let's go back to the chart. Let's keep going. So let's see what's happening on AUD USD and SZD USD are probably correlated. So I don't think there's any need to check on it. NZD USD is actually still confirming my bias. Yup. So I think we're good on GBP USD. Hopefully it works out very well. So let's check on a Eurocard. Let's check on Eurocard. So Eurocard has been on this uptrend, and we have currently approached this line right there, which is a key level, very key level. It has been tested multiple times in the past as a resistance. So it's very possible that this market can actually fall all the way here. But as you guys know, this is not my trading style. I don't trade reversals. I don't like trading reversals, and I try to avoid trading reversals. This trade would have given me a lot of money if I left it to this, like 1:6 on this trade here, but it's okay. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. I'll probably be waiting for this market to return back to this level. Let me take this. So I'll be waiting for this market to reverse back to this level somewhere. Let's say here, somewhere here, before I would be interested in going in for a buy in this market. So I don't think there's anything we'll be seeing in no opportunity that we'll be seeing in Eurocard anytime soon to probably just keep falling. But I don't trade reversal, so I will not be doing anything on Eurocard, unfortunately. So let's go to AUD card. Let's check on AUD card. Let's check on AUD card. AUD card. daily time frame, we are still on an uptrend, and like I shared with you guys, I think on the weekly set, on the weekly what's it called, on the weekly, live analysis I do for you guys on Saturdays and Sundays, I think this market might be finding the next resistance somewhere here. So this market can just it's possible that I might just keep grinding all the way up down like this, all the way to the top. Very possible. So my bias is already up. So right now we are seeing okay, this is a no-go area. This is a kind of market that you typically want to avoid. It's giving both higher highs and lower lows consistently in the same range. So it's not, this is not good at all. This is not good. This is like bad market. This is a kind of market that you want to avoid, okay? Because you want to see a clear trend. This is the most previous support. This is the most previous support here, right here. Now this is the most previous resistance right here. So for this market, you typically want to trade or do anything in this market if the market breaks below here or breaks above here. Okay, so this kind of markets, it's good to just avoid it. And let me just teach you guys something while we are at it. Okay, now you guys know I love to make this trainings, I love to make these live sessions as interactive as possible, so that while I'm teaching you guys, I'm also trying to analyze and give you guys setups. So I'm not big on just giving setups, giving analysis, and maybe just have like one man giving signals, and we'll just have a bunch of community following signals. I'm not that kind of person, so I like teaching. So I want to teach you guys something that I believe that will help you while we are here. I think this will probably help you guys a lot. So now, as a trader, you need to understand, as can you guys see my screen? Okay, I think you guys can see my screen. Amazing. So for instance, this your typical support and resistance levels look like this. If this is a typical uptrend, right? Now something happens. There's a mistake that most traders make, which I believe and I want to teach you guys not to make. For instance, this is an uptrend. Okay, this is a typical uptrend. We have the market giving higher highs and lower lows. Okay, for example, most times what traders do is that they fail to understand that there's something called major support zones and minor support zone. Minor support zones are different from major support zones. Major support zones are different from minor support zones. For instance, if this is your typical trend up, down, this right here is your major. This right here is major support, major resistance, major support, major resistance. Okay, the mistake people do most of the time is when the market now starts doing something like something like this, something like this. Now, somewhere inside of the regular trader's mind, he is also counting all this movement right here as support and resistances, which is not so. Now, if you're trading the forex market, you need to understand that the more reference you make to major support and resistance zones, the lesser the mistakes that you're going to make. When the market starts doing all this kind of zigzag move, these things are all what we call market noise. This should not be you should not be putting any interest in this kind of movement. Look at the major zone here, this one here, and this one here. Provided the market has not broken above this level, or provided market has not broken below this level right here, we are still on an uptrend. So everything you're seeing here, all this movement you're seeing here, this is still just market noise. And you don't need to make any major trading decision with market noises. You understand? So you need to wait for the market to either break above a major resistance like this level, or break below a major support like this one. So every other thing in between here, this is all market noise. So even if this market continues to go zigzag up, down, this is all noise until we get a break above this level here, or a break below this level here. Did you guys learn anything? If you learned something, Let me know. Let me know if you learned something on the chat. Let me know. With what I explained, if you learned anything, please let me know. Let me know. Did you guys learn something? If you did, let me know on the chat. Okay. All right. So let's go to USD while we are waiting for while we're waiting for you guys um to let me know if you guys learned anything. Let's move over to somebody said I should check USD. So I'll check USD like right now. All right, so let's check on USD. So USD on a daily time frame, we are clearly seeing. So on a daily time frame, we are seeing that this market is looking like a downtrend. A downtrend is about to start. It was an uptrend all the way up from here to here. Then we had, an equidistant top, breakdown, a lower low, lower high. And based on what I told you guys, provided applying what I just taught you guys right now, provided we have not broken, let's say, above this high, this main high, or below this low, if the market keeps going all the way, as far as the daily time frame is concerned, our bias is still a downtrend, okay? Because this was our most recent major high, and this is the most recent major low. So every other thing here is just noise. Our bias is still a downtrend on a daily time frame, okay? On a daily time frame, this is still our bias, okay? So moving down to a 4-hour time frame, let's see what's happening. 4-hour time frame is still a downtrend. As you can see, we have lower lows, lower highs. Let me see. Okay, so this is your area of interest on USD Will not be, I don't think we'll be seeing any opportunity on it, at least before this live session ends. We might not be seeing any opportunity, but this is where you would want to enter a trade. You have to wait for a liquidity graph above here, because it's very possible the liquidity graph might happen here. It might not happen. It might happen here, it might not happen. Then this market will likely just fall down from there, okay? Or it's very possible also that the market might just start falling from here, okay? So either ways, buyers generally on USD I think is still a sell. On the long-term buyers, it's still a sell on USD. That's actually what I think, okay? What else? Okay, let's check on GBP JPY. Let's check on GBP JPY. If you have any particular currency pair you want me to check for you, let me know on the chart so I can check that for you guys. If you have any currency pair in particular that you want me to check out for you, let me know on the chart so that I can check that out for you, okay? G GBP AUD. I can see someone typing GBP AUD, but let's check on GBP JPY first. On a daily time frame, I personally think that this market is heading to this multi-year high here. I think I showed you guys this multi-year high that's been here for quite some time. Oh God, what's all this one again? Which GBP JPY? Good. So this market is probably heading to this 188 level, which is a multi-year high, 188.63. So general buyers on a daily time frame is still an uptrend for the GBP JPY. Now, if you go over to 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame is still an uptrend, but there's no entry, and I don't think there'll be any entry anytime soon, because this market probably needs to come down and give us an M3 somewhere at about this level, somewhere here or somewhere here. So until this market comes back, down to this level, we might not be seeing any trade set up soon on GBP JPY. So this is what I think. Until this market gets back to any of these levels, we might not be seeing any buying opportunity on GBP JPY. Okay, so let's go to GBP AUD. Somebody mentioned GBP AUD. GBP AUD. So GBP AUD, let's see. I don't trade GBP AUD, so but I can analyze it for you. I can analyze it for you. Okay, so on GBP AUD, I can see on the daily time frame that our buyers will probably still be tilted to a sell. Our buyers will still be tilted to a sell, but we need confirmation on both 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. We will need confirmation from both a 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame. Now, if you put a key level here, our key level will probably start from here all the way down to this level. So this is a very key level that's been tested multiple times as a resistance, support, support, resistance. So we are actually sitting there right now. So this market, this is very possible. We might see a liquidity grab happen here. It will be if it happens, it will be a very sweet liquidity grab. Like, I think it's already happening though, but we might see something like this come down, do the second time, and then probably crash from here. So this is what I think would be obtainable on GBP USD, and this is where you probably want to sell. So I think the market is doing the first liquidity grab. This is the first one already happening with what we're seeing in this long week. Let me check a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, good. So this is what will likely happen. First one falls, second one, then to probably fall from here. So this is what I'm typically expecting to see on GBP AUD. Okay, for those of you that trade it, this is what I think would likely happen on GBP UAD, because generally on a daily time frame, the buyers is still a sell. Okay, so keep your eyes on GBP AUD. The sell might happen anytime soon. So that's my buyers on GBP AUD. So which other currency pair? Somebody said I should check German 30. I really don't trade it. I don't trade DAX either. I don't trade any of that. Omo, Olorun, Quantum. I don't trade it, so I don't like analyzing derivatives and what's it called? Indicatives that I don't trade. Okay, NZDCHF, I'm seeing NZDCH and I'm seeing gold. So let's check on NZDCHF. Let's check on NZDCHF. Let's see what we have on NZDCHF. One minute, guys. Let me. Okay, good. All right. So NZDCHF on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, I can say that we're still on a downtrend. On a daily time frame, I can say that we are still on a downtrend. This is our last major high right here. Then we had a lower high, and then the market is likely going all the way down. So daily time frame, I think our buyers is to sell. For our time frame, let's see what's happening. Okay, this is very good though. We might be seeing a setup on NZDCHF. Let me put a moving average and see where the market is. 1 minute, guys. I think NZDCHF might be a good setup for us. Let me put a Fibonacci and see. We're above the 61.8. Okay, no, this is where we want to enter this trade. We've already gone past 61.8% level, and if retracement doesn't happen at 61.8% level, most of the time it's very possible that it might just not happen. So this market might just keep going all the way up, and this is where I would probably want to enter a trade somewhere here. This is where I want to enter a trade. So NZDCHF, we'll have to like sit on our hands and just wait and see what happens when the market gets back to this level. Somebody is asking, what's your bias on BTC? I don't trade BTC either. I don't trade BTC either. And but although from everything I've heard, although I have eyes, because I have some bitcoins though, but it's not it's more like for investment purposes. I just leave it. Has been there right from both bull run, bearish run, all the runs that has been happening on BTC. The money has been there. I've not touched it, so it's not I don't like keep my mind there. I just leave it for investment purposes. So I don't really trade BTC, and I don't think I might analyze it, but my analysis might be wrong, because what sponsors Bitcoin and cryptocurrency movements most of the time are usually fundamentals, not like currency pairs where you can determine a lot based on just technical analysis. Bitcoin has a lot of both speculations, both perceptions, public views of it, and stuff like that. All affect the movement of cryptocurrencies generally. So I might be wrong if I analyze BTC for you guys. So let me not go and form my hand, please. Okay. So let me check on Euro CHF. Someone is saying Euro CHF is looking promising. Let's see. Said it's looking promising for a sell. Okay, I can see why this person is saying it's looking promising though. Okay, but this 1 hour candle like has to form completely before we. Okay, now I see why this guy is saying that this, and it's actually looking very, very promising for a sell. But we'll have to like wait for this 1 hour candle to fully form. I can see a liquidity grab has already happened on 15 minutes time frame. We missed the entry. This is where we would have entered, somewhere here. Unless this market comes back to here, this is where I want to enter here. This is where I want to enter. ATR, let me check the ATR. ATR is 6 pips. So if we enter, use 12 pips as stop loss, then yeah, this is actually good, but I think we already missed the entry. So unless this market comes back to this entry here, which is at 0.9629, let me put an alert there, 9629, in case that happens. Euro CHF, whoever call Euro CHF, I think you actually know what you're doing. I don't know what's happening to my alert. It's not working. I'm like it's not where I put it. Why 9629, 9629? Why are you putting it somewhere else? See, are you guys seeing what's happening? It's not going up. I'm putting the alert here. It's going somewhere else. Can't even shift it. It's not even shifting. Can somebody put an alert here? 0.9629 on Euro CHF. If the market gets back to this level, we might consider an entry. A liquidity grab has happened from what I'm already seeing on 15 minutes time frame. So it's possible that we have all the liquidity that will push us all the way down. So Euro CHF might actually fall, but we need to get the best entry. We can't be entering from here. It's a bit too late. It's like 3 pips late. Yep. Somebody saying I should analyze DXY. Maybe I'll call somebody else to analyze DXY for you guys. So let me know, Marcel, if you're on this call. Let me know if you are. Let me know in the chat. So, and if you're ready to actually maybe come and analyze DXY for everyone, let me know so that I can Bring you on. What else? What else? Someone is asking what currency pair are we trading? We just entered Euro, only GBP USD. That's the only pair we have entered so far. Let me check. I think it's on a we're on some pips loss. Yeah, we're running on I think 5 pips loss or so. But please don't exit the trade though. Don't be quick to exit this trade, please. Okay. Don't be quick to exit this trade. We're still on, we're still spot on. We're still spot on. The trade analysis is still same. It's still, I'm still hoping for a buy. So please don't be quick to exit the trade. Don't exit the trade. Allow it to run full course. Okay. Don't adjust stop loss. Don't adjust TP. Leave it just the way it is. Okay. Um, which other currency pair? Let me check. I need to. Wow, Euro JPY. Ah, no, 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 no. I was going to almost think I was seeing a sell opportunity on Euro JPY, but no, 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 no. Which other currency pair, guys, you want me to analyze for you? Gold. All right, so let's check on gold. Let's see what's happening on gold. Okay, so because of the the chatter on de-dollarization and stuff like that, I think I don't know what is exactly de-dollarization, but I know there are some fundamental news events that sponsor this rally on gold. I shared that with you guys like 2 weeks ago. But however, buyers generally on gold, for me, gold might actually fall back to this level here. Gold on a short term, gold might actually fall back to somewhere around this level here. Somewhere around this level, at least to find some support. Let me see. Let me check the Fibonacci level on a daily time frame. Okay, good. So 38.2 level is this level here. Then we have 50% here. 50% level here. So I think gold might find support any of these levels here. Let me remove the moving average. So gold might find support any of these levels here. Any of these levels here. So it might just fall to this level, then probably react from these levels. Then we might see a move from here up or from here up. Okay, but for now, momentarily, buyers on gold is actually still sell. Buyers on gold is actually still a momentary sell until we get to at least this level or this level. So that's what I actually think on gold. There's no entries on gold just yet. Okay. Last week we made some money on gold. How many of you remember our gold trade last week that gave us TP1 straight up while we are still on the live session? Gold gave us a serious 1:1. Then after the call, he did I think 1:2 on gold, right? Maybe 1:5. I can't remember on gold. Yeah. Which other currency pair? USD JPY. Okay, guys. USD JPY. USD JPY. Let's see USD JPY. Okay, so USD JPY, we are still on uptrend. And if you guys remember, I told you that when the market is retesting an all-time high or a multi-year high or a multi-year low or an all-time low, it tends to do it twice. It tends to retest that level twice. So we only have one. And I told you guys, I think I can't remember whether this was on, was it, this was this week, right? I told you guys that USD JPY was going to rally, going for a buy. Yeah, I think. This was one of the analysis I did for you guys on the Sunday, and I told you that it was going to rally back to this level to do a second retest, which is exactly what is happening. I'm really good in this forex thing. I'm too good. My analysis lately has been like the words of a prophet. You guys understand, right? Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to have some to get this market to come back to somewhere here on a 15 minutes time frame before I look for another support to keep pushing this market back. This market, if not this week, probably next week, will retest this high again for the second time, probably touching this 151.90 zone before maybe falling or maybe breaking through it. Okay, so um till then, I think the market is still on an uptrend till further notice. So USDJPY, you just have to like wait for the market to do a retest. If you're not patient, you can decide to use a Fibonacci and get a retracement to 61.8% level, which would be somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere at around between 50% and 60%. You might want to go in for a buy somewhere there. Okay, so that's what I think on USDJPY. There's no setup on it so far. So for now, I think it's only GBP USD that we have a setup for, which is wants to head to our stop loss. But I'm very hopeful that that doesn't happen. Okay, so please don't be quick to leave the trade. Like I said, don't be quick to abandon the trade just yet. Okay, even if we hit stop loss, it's cost of doing business, so it's nothing. So please don't be quick to exit the trade until it has run full course, whether TP or a loss. Either ways, I'm hopeful that it actually still ends on profit. Okay, so let's check on. I don't think we've analyzed NZD USD. Let's see what's happening on NZD USD. NZD USD is actually looking very good for a buy. It's just that we've already entered the correlated pair, which is GBP USD. So we'll not be doing anything on NZD USD just yet. Okay, someone is asking. I noticed that the market opening has changed from 2100 to 2200 this Sunday. Please, can you talk about it? Yes. There's something called what's it called? I can't remember what they call it again. Time change or time swap or something. But during the particular season in I think in UK, the time like stops for like 1 hour and the kind of change. I don't know how they explain that thing, but I've read about it before. So please, if somebody knows the name, you guys tell me the name on the comment section, like season change or season swap something, where like the time like goes back like 1 hour. So that means that the market opens by 11 p.m. instead of 10 p.m. You understand? And the market at some seasons also the market starts opening by 10 p.m. and the full 4 hour candle begins to form by 10 p.m. instead of 11, which is most of the year, right? I can't remember what they call that thing. If somebody knows what they call it, please tell me in the comment section. I really can't remember. The name is keeping my mind, like it's somewhere around my mind, but just to grab it and say it, it's just I can't remember. Okay, but right now the market is actually opening. It's no longer opening by 10 p.m. It's actually opening by 11 p.m. I think. Yeah. So someone is saying I should analyze CAD CHF. I've already analyzed GBP USD. I've already analyzed GBP USD. Let's check on CAD CHF. Let me check on CAD CHF. Let me check on CAD CHF. Okay, I think I already have it somewhere. Okay, good. Okay, I think we made money on CAD CHF. That was last week, right? How many of you remember this CAD CHF trade we took last week? That was too sweet. It was a very clean 1:4 risk to reward on CAD CHF. All right, let's see what we have for this week. So CAD CHF, this is still a pretty much a downtrend momentarily for me. Let me check a 4 hour time frame. Still a downtrend, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is Let me see. Let me check. 61.8. Exactly 61.8. So on a 15 minutes time frame, we might just be looking for an entry for a sell, but that would only happen if we get a double top. Something like this is what I'm looking for. Something like this. This is what I'll typically be looking out for on a 15 minutes time frame on CAD CHF. And this is where I would love to enter somewhere here. Okay, so my bias is a sell, but this market has to like do some confirmations, probably a double top or a head and shoulders pattern on 15 minutes time frame, break and close below neckline, and then we are in for a sell. So that's my bias on CAD CHF. That's what I actually think would happen on CAD CHF. Okay. Okay, so any more questions? Any more questions? I think we don't have any much setup for today. Only just AUD, GBP USD, which is attempting to spoil my record, my my 10th straight uh, uh winning trade record. But I just hope that doesn't happen. GBP USD, please just respect yourself and don't disappoint me. This market is out for stop loss. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, don't spoil my record on this channel because I'm a deal with you, okay? So any other currency pair you guys want us to check out? Only GBP. Any other setup so far before we go? Any other setup you guys want us to check out before we go? I think the problem we probably entered very too early on GBP USD. I think we entered like too early on GBP USD. Hence our large, very wide stop loss. Any other setup you guys want me to check out for you? AUD USD. Okay, let's check on AUD USD before we go. So on a daily time frame, we are still on an uptrend, as you can clearly see. All the buyers on both Euro USD, AUD USD, all of them are like pointing upwards. I don't know why. Okay, AUD USD. Let's we're able to break and close below this level. Look at this level. I took this level from a 4-hour time frame, which is a very key level, has been tested multiple times as both support, resistance. So we're back at that level. Unless this market actually breaks below this level, then we might see a kind of breakout happen, all the way down if this happens. Okay. But if this doesn't happen, we might see something like this, then the market towards up from there. So either ways, this is what my bias looks like on AUD USD. This is what my bias looks like on AUD USD. Okay. Okay, so I think that's the only currency pairs we have so far. So for now, only GBP USD, which is trying to like mess us up, like really mess us up right now. But let's not despair. Let's just be very hope. I think we entered too early on GBP USD. Like we entered very early. Entered too early on GBP USD. So But all the same, we're yet to hit stop loss. So please let's remain hopeful, okay? Until the stop loss is hit, you have not lost the trade, okay? Okay, so catch up with you guys again on Saturday. On Saturday, I'll be coming live again to share my analysis with you guys, okay? Somebody saying, somebody say my margin they cry. Why is your margin crying? That you guys should stop risking all your money. Don't put all your money inside one trade. That's why we give you all these disclaimers, okay? And let me say something about trading psychology and risk management. Like I tell you guys every now and then, as a trader, losses are like the least things you should be scared of. Okay, it is the cost of doing business. Even if you hit a stop loss, it is the cost of doing business. You understand? Forex market is a game of probabilities. For instance, for the past 8 consecutive weeks, we have been on back to back to back to back profit. All the analysis I do for you guys here, if we do 3 analysis, 2 take profit, 1 stop loss. If we do 1 analysis, one you know take profit. If we do 2, sometimes two of them take profit back to back to back cumulatively for the past 8 weeks. Has been profitable. You understand? So it's a game of probabilities. At some point, of course, I know one counter losses. You understand? At some point, I know of course I'm not a god in the market. Okay, but at some point I know that we'll encounter stop loss, which is fine, which is why I even tell you before we start, our win rate is 75%. So even if we hit stop loss, it's normal. It's part of the probabilities. Provided you keep showing up, joining us every live session, and just if, for instance, you decide to only trade with us, you're not doing any other thing. You're not coming. You're not taking. You only trade with us for the whole week. I can assure you, every month you probably still end up in profit if you are only taking our trades. Okay, but I know some of you, even after taking profit with us, you probably go and trade the money by yourself. Also, probably blow the money or lose money and all of that. Okay, but it's a game of probabilities. I'm not scared of losses, and you should not be scared of losses. I like teaching you this. You guys should not be scared of losses. You're a trader, that's who you are. You're a forex trader. Losses are part of your business. You understand? It's just like a banker being afraid of torn money. You understand? They see money that is torn every now and then. They see counterfeit money every now and then. It's part of the business. You understand? You can't shy away from it. You can't shy away from odds in the market like that. So it is part of doing business, and we should not shy away from it. If you lose money, that's fine. If you make money, that's better. Okay, so just to tell you guys that, okay. So our direction is asking, Bolarinwa is asking what's direction? GBP US, we entered a buy. I think somebody has asked that before. Okay, new bullish candle has formed on GBP just well. No, of course there is hope, man. I told you guys we entered early. Even if we hit stop loss, I'll wait for maybe another double bottom, then I'll enter in for a buy because I'm very confident that it's actually a buy because all the other correlated currency pairs, Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, are all pointing bullish, both on technical terms and on fundamental terms. So I'm very much confident, but I think we entered too early. Yeah, we entered too early. Grabs the before to buy again. There's some liquidity down there. Yeah. All right. So that said, if you learned anything on today's session, let me know on the chat. I'll have to run along right now because we have some things we're doing at the office. So I need to get to the office right now. So if you learned anything on this chat, let me know. Let me know you learned something on the chat. Let me know you learned something on the chat. Then 2 things before we go. Make sure you like this video. Okay, make sure you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and then make sure you're subscribing to the channel so that every single time we go live you do not miss out. Okay, no, don't increase your stop loss. Somebody asking, should I increase stop loss? Please, never do that. If you make a trading decision, leave your stop loss there. Don't increase it. If you lose the money, for crying out loud. Okay, it's why are traders like this? Why are you guys like this? Why are you guys like this? If you put stop loss based on your analysis, don't increase it, leave it. If it hits your stop loss, that's fine. You enter another trade that hopefully recover your money. Don't increase your stop loss, please. Don't do that. Okay. All right, so I guess you guys learned a lot from the video. So that said, I love you guys. and see you guys on Saturday. On Saturday, I'll come on here live again, and on Monday, I'll be live here again, and next week Thursday, I'll be live here again. So have a wonderful week, very wonderful weekend ahead. Good day, everyone. Blessings, everyone. Thanks.